Hi, good evening everybody. This is Azhar with you. Now today you are visiting with me Dragon Mart, Dubai. This is China Mall and this is one of the most busiest mall in UAE. And this is biggest mall in the Gulf from China. So you can see this dragon that is in front of this Dragon Mart main gate. Whatever you want to buy, you will get it from here. Either it is in regard of your office, for your home, factory, anything you want to buy, you will get it from here. So it's a very beautiful dragon capture is there. So you can see the voice of the water falling from the tail of dragon. And this is, and you see that road is moving towards right side. It is going to Hatta, Oman, and also some parts of UAE. Basically this is front of international city, and if you see these buildings, some are under construction. So this is building of international city. So that is opening of, this is main gate of Dragon Mart. So now you can see I am moving just in the front of Dragon Mart. You will see people are coming to buy their products. In the front of the gate it is written Happy Chinese New Year. So this is the main entrance. On the right side there is pharmacy, and this is inside. So very large Dragon Mart. There are 3 floors of Dragon Mart.